The magic happens when now you have someone that is experienced, that not only has read the same textbook as you, but is now giving you context as and perspective as to how you should be interpreting the information that you're reading from that textbook. And that's AI engineers, right? Because that's what we're trying to do is we're trying to, okay, this is the end. We don't necessarily know where you're starting because we don't know what type of questions the users are trying to ask, but we know where the data is coming from, and we know at least the industry and at least how they're going to be using this AI, right? And there, it's going to be used for your business. Your business, we should understand your business. And so, okay, how are we going to use this? Well, it's connected to data, you need to make sure you're able to provide that data in bite-sized information so that your AI is able to interpret that. And also you're providing that instruction as to the context as to how it should be interpreting that data. So that now, as the end user or the student, in my example, you have a very clear and objective result of that information. And that's
Actually, that's like the beauty of the best teachers, right? Because I remember I did have some really boring teachers, but the ones that have taught me the most are the ones that were able to synthesize the information in a way that I was able to capture it from the foundational level so that I could scale it and make it applicable.